Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another practical computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're covering how to check the RAM type DDR3 or DDR4 in Windows 11, perfect if you're upgrading your system or troubleshooting performance. We'll go step by step using two methods, and I'll share some tips to avoid common issues. Alright, let's dive in. First, let's use Task Manager. Right-click the Start button, that Windows icon on your taskbar, and select Task Manager. Click the Performance tab on the left, then select Memory. You'll see details like your total RAM and sometimes the type, like DDR3 or DDR4. If it's not there, let's try another method. Open the Start menu again, type CMD to search for Command Prompt and press Enter. In the command prompt, type WMIC memory chip, get memory type, and press Enter. You'll see a number 20 means DDR, 21 is DDR2, 24 is DDR3, and 26 is DDR4. One tip: if the command doesn't work, make sure you're running command prompt. As an admin, right-click it and select Run as administrator first. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support encourages me to keep creating content like this, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments what RAM type you have. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.